Here we're presented with an arithmetic series question. In it we are given the 25th term, in this case it's 44.5, the sum to the first 30 terms, which is 765, and they ask you to find the 16th term in the series. So it's a pretty typical sort of question involving arithmetic series. In the exam paper they will give you one of the formulas you need, and you need to remember the other one. The formulas are here. So we have the sum to n terms, which is written as S of n equals n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1d. N is the number of terms, a is the first term, and d is the common difference. That's what they change by each time. The one you need to remember is the second one here, the nth term, which is a plus n minus 1d. Again, a is the first term, n is the number of terms, or the position of the term, and d is the common difference. Make sure you don't confuse the two. The bracket here is very similar to the nth term, but the sum has the 2a in it and the nth term does not. So make sure you don't confuse them, and make sure you have this one committed to memory. So a good way of approaching these is just literally to write down the information they give you using the equations. So looking at the first one, this is the 25th term. So I can write this down. 25th term is equal to, what is it? It's 44.5. So 44.5 equals a, which I don't know, plus n, which is 25, minus 1, d. So I can rewrite that as 44.5 equals a plus 24d. And that's all I can do. I have two unknowns in one equation. Nothing else I can do with that for now. I'm going to call that equation number 1. Little lollipop there to identify that. That's all I can do with the 25th term. So next we want the sum to 30 terms. So that is S of 30. So what have I got? The sum to 30 is 765. So 765 is equal to n, or n is 30, over 2, square bracket, 2 multiplied by a, which I don't know what a is, plus n, which is 30, minus 1, multiplied by d, close the bracket. Let's tidy this up a little bit. What have I got here? I've got 765 equals 15, bracket, 2a plus 29d. Looks nasty, but a quick check on your calculator would show that 765 divides by 15. So I have 51 equals 2a plus 29d. Again, that's another equation with two unknowns. That's going to be my equation 2, and now you can see we're going to be using simultaneous equations to find the values of a and d. So I'm going to take equation